List 10, the more the merrier review video. The roots that we have been working with this week are plur, which means more and is a Latin root, multi, poly, which mean many, and they are Greek roots, and mega, which means million, great, or large, and these are also Greek root. This is also a Greek root. So your first root is plur, which means more. It is a Latin root, and your words that go along with this root are plural, pluralism, plurality, pluralize, and plurals. So you can notice here that I have another column right here. This is just to show you that all of these words actually have your first word, plural, in them. So if I were in 4th grade, I would be working really hard to learn how to spell plural. Because then I would just have to add the ism, the itty, eyes, and the s at the end. So plural would be really helpful. Now over here in this column, I've broken the words apart into different ways of saying them. So plural, pluralism, pluralize, and plurals, we all say it as plural. For plurality, you stress that A in there, and so it sounds a little different. But all of the words do start with the word plural. Your next root is multi and poly. Both of these mean many, and they are Greek. So I've broken the multi words into 2 sections: multiply, multiplication, and multiple. All of these have the multipl, and they all have something to do with multiplication. So I would work on the multiple, I, with a Y at the end, multiplication, and multiple. So those I would group together in my head. And then multidisciplinary, multimedia, multitude, and multifold. You have the multi and then another word at the end. Disciplinary, media, tude, and fold. And then for polygon, or for the poly words, they kind of are all polygon, polymer, polygraph, polytheistic. You're just going to have to know the root and then think about the ending. Mega means million, great, or large, and it is a Latin root. And so I have divided these into 2 groups with your megalopolis and megalosaurus. All of those have your mega root and then the LO for low. So megalopolis, megalosaurus. That's how I would break those up in my mind. And then your other 2 words, megabit and megabyte, you just have to think about the endings on those. Just be aware that byte is spelled B-Y-T-E. So I want you to write a word from each of the roots in the left-hand column of your homework, and then in the right-hand column, tell me either how you would break it apart to help you spell it, or a trick that you can remember to help you spell the word.